Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now in this YouTube video I'm going to teach you guys how to customize an AI bot using Ollama in the model file. So what's basically going to happen is that we're going to start with the base model like llama or let's say GitHub Copilot, and then now we're going to customize this model and we're going to train it to change its name, etc., using just a model file that Ollama has. Now, but before I do that, let me just tell you guys what is Ollama. So Ollama is it's an software or app that lets you run AI models locally on your computer completely offline. So you could just check out a bunch of Ollama models, like as you guys can see here. So yep, just let's just go ahead and get started right away. Guys, so let me show you guys how to install Ollama. So first of all, this is for Windows. There and actually for Mac, there are two ways you can install Ollama. I'll show you guys both, but this is the classic way for any virtual machine. So you could just download Ollama right over here, and then you could just start running large language models. So as you can see, it's available for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. Now, but also for if you're on a Mac, you could actually just install it with brew. So you could just do brew install Ollama. So I already have this, so yep, you could just do this and it will install Ollama for you. So once you do this, you could just play around with Ollama. Like if you go to you could check out any Ollama model you want. So click onto the models, and it just has a ton, like thousands and thousands of models. You could just use any AI model you want. So all you got to do is just, like I'll just say for example, I want this one, and you could just you just have to run this command, Ollama run. And but for now, I'm just gonna run this AI model called Llama. So if I do it, and okay, so wait, file does not exist. So sorry, Ollama run. We have to do Llama 3.2. So I have to give it. So as you can see, it's pulling the AI model right over here. So it's gonna take some time because it's like billions of it's trained on billions of tokens and parameters. So this should only happen the first time, but it's because the next time it's going to be stored in your cache, and if you just run Ollama, run this model, and then it's just going to start right away. But this one's going to take some time, so I'm going to come back after it is done. Alright guys, so it's nearly done. So, and yep, it's done. So now it should actually go ahead and get the Llama 3.2 AI model developed by Meta AI ready. So I think it's just verifying a few things. So yep, we'll just wait. Okay, as you can see, it's a success. Okay, there we go. Boom, our Llama 3.2 is ready, and it's completely offline. So now I could ask it anything I want. Say for example, hi. Now I'm just gonna process it, and then we're gonna have Llama return in response. So as you can see, it's actually streaming this whole response for better user experience. So you could just type, I think, exit to leave it, or maybe slash. Yeah, it was nice chatting with you. Even just a brief conversation, and as you can see, now let's just leave this for now. Let me go ahead and just type slash bye and exit it. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, you need to create a folder and have Llama installed, like I showed you guys. So now, if you go here, so as you can see, I have a model file over here. So what I'm using a model called Phi. So now let me actually go ahead and change this to Llama 3.2. So now if I do, 3.2. So now if I do this, this is just like a format that you have to use. So this one is the most important line, I think. Yep, it is the most important line. So you have to specify your base model that you're going to use. So you could use any model, like I said. You just have to I'm just using Llama 3.2 for now. Okay. So you just have to have the system, and you have to tell the model how it should be. So I'm telling my model that its name is Copilot. So I think I made a mistake here. So its name is Copilot. Yep. And a helpful and precise assistant created by us, which is me. So now it's always going to introduce itself as Copilot, and you could just add as many things as you want. So you could have examples. So if it says hello, it should say, hello, I'm Copilot, your assistant. and who created you, you should say. I was created by Hannes, or basically your name, whatever you guys want to put. So now let me go ahead and let's run this. Sorry. Yeah. So to run this, once you have your model file, to run this, all you have to do is just type this simple command. So let me go ahead and write it. As you can see here, over here I have the command. So all you have to do is Ollama create and then your model name, and then you just have to give the path to the model file. So I'll just run this, and as you can see, it says success. Now what you have to do is just very simple. You just have to do Ollama run and then your model name. So I'm just gonna do my model, and if I do this, let me just say hello, and it should respond with the parameter that we fed it. So we told it that it should respond with hello, I'm Copilot, so it should introduce itself as Copilot. So it's just processing the request currently, and let's just wait for it to do it. So I think currently is just gonna read the model file and just check. So as you can see here, it says hello, I'm Copilot, your assistant, how can I help you today? So now, as you can see, it's speaking professionally and just keeping its answers clear, short, and focused. And now, whatever here, and I also trained my model to be on observability, logs, traces, and digital monitoring. So let me just go ahead and ask it something like maybe let me just say, who created you? So I'm just gonna take some time. As you can see, it said I was created by us, and I've never trained it to say something like, is there anything specific I can assist you? All I did was I was created by us, but it's saying this because of this base model that we have here called Llama 3.2. So yep, that's it for this. That's how easily we could set up and customize your own AI model with the Ollama model file. So yep, that's it for this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in another YouTube video.